What's up, guys? Welcome back. So right now I'm about to pack my suitcase because I leave for vacation in exactly a week to this Friday. So I leave next week Friday. I still have a lot of things to do. I'm about to pack, and this is the mess that I have going on here. Let me just turn. Just clothes, shoes, things in bags, just everything all over. I'm trying to stick to 23 kilos. I'm not trying to have overweight. Well, who am I kidding, really? Because 23 kilos is not that much. I always have overweight, and this time I just want to do it different. Honestly, looking at all of this clothes that has to go in this suitcase, I probably gonna have overweight because we need options. I cannot travel light. I don't understand what does that mean, travel light? We need options, right? So hopefully we stick, I would say max 24, 25, no more than that. So let's get started. I got these travel organizers from Amazon, so I'll be using this. Hopefully this helps me save a lot of space. And what else do I have? I wanted to order more, but I'll just see how far I get with this. If it's not enough, then I might order a second pack or something different, but let's just start with this. These are the suitcases I'll be traveling with. This is actually pretty big, y'all. So it should work. I normally travel with 2 suitcases this size. 2 big suitcase and a carry-on. But this time I'm only going with 1 suitcase and 1 carry-on and a handbag, and that should be enough. Like I said, I'm trying to stick to 23 kilos, and I think it should work. I honestly don't feel like I have a lot of stuff. I mean, it looks a lot, but it's not really that much. So we will see. I'm gonna prompt you guys right here in a bit, or maybe over here, and we're gonna start packing. Let's go. The first thing I like to do is add these mini scented bags or scented sachets in my suitcase. I had these in there from my last trip in October, and they smell pretty good, so I'm gonna leave them in there. Since I don't have any more of these, I thought I bought it today, but I picked up the wrong thing. I picked up dryer sheets instead of the scented sachets. So I'm just gonna add some of these in between my clothes to keep my clothes smelling fresh and nice throughout the whole trip. The plan is to use the biggest one for tops, shorts, and skirts. And I'm gonna use the second biggest one, which is this one, for my undergarments. This one I'm gonna use for my flats. I'm finished for today. You guys saw I'm at 1886, so nearly 19 kilos. I still have a lot of things to pack. I have my wig, I have my makeup, I have my toiletries, I have a few little stuff still to pack. So I think I'm gonna have to pay over it, or I might take out some things. I don't know yet, because I'm really trying to stick to the 23 kilos, but we will see. Right now I had enough of packing. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow or the day after, whenever, but I'll see you guys tomorrow or next week. Hey y'all, so right now so I just finished packing my suitcase because I want to see like how much kilos I have. Tell me why this thing is 28.40, like nearly 30 kilos. So I'm trying to figure out what to take out. So this is it, y'all. So this is what I have, and this is from the other side, right? Tell me why I just took out these two things thinking it would make like the world of difference. Like, obviously I know it won't make any difference, but I honestly don't know what to take out. But anyway, right now I'm about to do my facial because I have a lash appointment in about, what time is it? I think about 4 or 5 hours. So I want to do a quick facial before I go. This is what I use for my facial. It's a blackhead remover. This is not a tutorial, by the way. I'm just doing my skincare. Okay, the steps to this is cleanse your face. I already did that, and I'm going to use this cleanser, this blackhead remover, and clean my pores. Once I'm done, I wash it out, apply a face mask, and I normally do a derma roller on my skin, but I don't think I'll do that today. I think I'll do it tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. And of course, apply face products. So I realized I did not tell y'all where I'm going on vacation. So take a wild guess in the comment and let me know where you think I'm going on vacation. I need y'all to help me with packing. Right now, I don't even have that much jeans in my suitcase. I have 2 jeans. That's already a step. 2 jeans, some tops, some skirts, some shorts, some sandals, and heels. It's not that much. It sounds a lot, but it's not that much. This is the mask for today. This is the Aztec clay mask with apple cider vinegar. Facial is finished. My face is still a little swollen and red, but it's gonna go down. Right now I'm about to get ready for my lash appointment. My appointment is at 6, so I'm probably gonna finish sometime after, maybe after 8. I'm not sure, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm trying to figure out what to take out of this suitcase to make it lighter, and y'all, I really don't know. So I took out some stuff, so I'm gonna wait again, and whatever comes out, that's it, because I'm not gonna keep doing this. I'm at 63.24. Not 63.24, I'm at 23.64. So this is the best I can do. I'm not taking out anything else out of this luggage. As a matter of fact, I have one more dress that I have to pack. It still hasn't arrived, but it should make about 24 kilos once I, oh, you guys can't see me. I basically stuffed my hand luggage with stuff. This scarf, these 2 scarves was in the luggage, so I took them out. This pants I took out, and in the back of here is just basically it's bursting through. There's nothing else I can fit inside of here. Now that it's done, that headache is over with. Right now I'm about to do a pedicure because gotta get the toes right. I still need to pack my hand luggage, but not hand luggage, handbag, but I'll do that tomorrow because I leave on Friday and today's Wednesday, so I still have time to do that. What else do I need to do? I think that's about it. Just my feet. Oh, and my nails. I'll do that today, probably tomorrow. I need to do my nails. I'm just doing press on because I was debating whether I should do press on or get my nails done. So I just decided to do press on, and it's my first time trying press on, so I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but it should be good. It's time to pack my handbag, and first things first, passport. I have my passport in here, and I like to keep all my travel documents in a separate bag, so this is the bag I use for that. Next, Clorox wipes to wipe down the germs and everything on that airplane, so very important. In this pouch I have some feminine stuff. And this is the book of choice for this time around. So next, I like to travel with a notebook. It's my wallet. I have a brush, some baby wipes to freshen up if needed. This Dior palette for a mirror to check myself, very handy. I put that here on the side. Brush for my lashes, some tissues, mini deodorant. I have my contact lenses. Hand cream, this one is nearly finished. I have to get a new one soon. Lip gloss, lip liner. So this is a hack I like to do. I put some foundation on my makeup brush and put the brush inside of a Ziploc bag. So before we land, and if I want to just touch up my makeup, I can just go ahead and do that without having to carry the whole bottle of foundation. AirPods. I have a portable charger, a pen, my shades. That is gonna go in last, so I'm gonna leave this out for now. And I think the last thing is my phone. So that's about it.